So what I have here is the 990 EVO Plus from Samsung. Now this is an M.2 drive, which is absolutely incredibly fast. You can see here, this is the 4 terabyte version, and you can see that it is quite small, uber thin, and not too long, which is really, really nice. It's got the connector slot here, which goes in on an angle into the motherboard, and then you can just flatten it down onto your computer. Now, these are super fast. You will find that the great thing about them is that they go up to 7,000 read and 6,000 write. So very, very quick. They come in quite a few different sizes. You can just get what you want. And you can see here, this is what the chip looks like. Very, very fast storage, which I absolutely love. I really like how it is quite small. Now to install this onto your PC, it is quite simple. All you're going to do is find the connector slot, make sure it is at an angle, and then you're going to gently just place that into the actual slot. And you'll see that it basically holds itself into place, and you can see that it is at an angle. Now I do have this really small screw here, and what you're going to do is just screw onto the tip of the actual M.2 drive and hold it down just like that. So that will hold it close to the motherboard and keep it from moving around. So overall, this is an extremely good M.2 drive. I've just been absolutely loving these. I have another one that is the 1 terabyte version, which is the older one, and it has not disappointed. So if you're looking for a new and improved speeds, I would highly recommend this EVO Plus.